Hi, I'm Jamie from SIS ProSweep Service and Maintenance Technicians. Today I'm going to be giving you a bit of an insight into the process of sweeping a chimney. First, I need to remove the baffle or baffle bricks. This stove has multiple small baffle bricks and a brick retainer. On this particular brick retainer, you can see the effects of warping due to overfiring. Once all the baffle bricks have been removed, I can then take a look with a mirror and torch to determine the details of the chimney and determine the size of the brush needed. This sweep was for a regular customer, but for new customers I always do a camera inspection to check the condition of the chimney. I then cover up the front of the stove to avoid soot escaping into the room. I find the simplest method is with a plastic sheet. I cut a small hole to allow access for the rods and also another hole for the vacuum. I use a HEPA rated commercial vacuum. Turning the vacuum on once inserted creates negative pressure and stops soot escaping into the room. Once the stove is sealed, I can push the rods all the way to the top of the chimney. I then attach a drill and sweep from the top downwards. Once the sweep is complete, I remove the magnets and sheet and begin clearing out the soot from the stove, making sure to also clear out the ash pan. I then fit the interior of the stove back together. For this stove, I replaced the warped brick retainer. At the end of every sweep, I perform a smoke test. If everything is working as it should, the smoke should escape up and out the top of the chimney and not back into the room. Whilst doing this, I make sure the smoke isn't coming out of any other areas of the house or the chimney stack.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe.